Look what we've got here. 20,000 views on a brand new faceless YouTube channel, a niche I'm not even familiar with. In this video, I want to show you how to get more views and of course more subscribers using this secret platform. A lot of small creators don't know about it, don't use it. So not only will I show you this platform and how I use it to get views on my videos, I'm also going to show you 4-step method you need to follow immediately after watching this to create account and start implementing getting more views and subscribers almost immediately after watching this video. This secret platform is saving lives. I mean, saving creators, and it is absolutely free. I mean, it is 100% free. I'm going to show you the step-by-step method. You don't want to miss this part because the moment you miss how we do it, you are not going to get the views, you're not going to get subscribers. So I'm going to break it down as always. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this particular channel, I help you with strategies, tips and hacks to grow your YouTube channel, get more views and subscribers. So this is the kind of thing you love. Go on and hit that subscribe button so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight in because some people are about to blow up on YouTube using this simple secret website. The first thing is to open your smartphone and head over to a website called Pinterest. This platform is saving lives, guys. You can see my result, right? When you open Pinterest, you see something like this and you click on it. Look at where it takes us to. Somebody's YouTube channel. This is exactly what smart guys use to blow up on YouTube. Here's something very interesting about Pinterest. It is not just social media platform like Instagram and TikTok that the views dies after some time. No. It is a search engine optimized platform, guys, which means in years to come, this platform continues to drive traffic to your content. So here's the thing. A lot of small creators don't know how to use this, and that's why you are not using it. Guess what? 90% of traffic you get from Pinterest subscribe to your channel. I mean, for them to click on the pin and land on your channel means that this is the kind of thing they want. And the moment they come over here, watch that video that brought them in, boom, they're subscribing. That's why this channel is blowing up, getting views and subscribers. I mean, look at this, a channel I started a few weeks ago, a faceless channel like that. You need to follow the 4 steps I'm about to show you in this video because if you miss any of them, you won't get this my kind of result for your channel. So let's get into it. The first step is to create a business account, guys. And to do that, all you need is to head over to pinterest.com/business/create. It is absolutely free. That's the link you need to click and it will take you to the right place. Okay, so once you open this, you're going to create a business account. A business account gives you access to Pinterest analytics, keywords, and rich pins that help you see how your content is performing and even help you rank very high on that page. So once you create a business account, the next thing is to go on to optimize your profile. It is very important because it's one of the secrets to getting people to click on your pin and then head over to your YouTube channel. So once you create your account, go on and optimize your profile with searchable terms, depending on the niche you're playing in. If, for example, your content is about YouTube growth, you can say something like YouTube tips. If you are into health, you have healthy living. Those kind of things that help someone at a glance that this is what you do. You go on and do that. So now that you've created your account and optimized it, the second step is to go on and create scroll stopping pins. Yes. So pins are like YouTube thumbnails, just that the frame size is different. So you have this one as YouTube and you have this one as pins. You can design this using Canva. This is actually the exact frame size of pins. So the next thing is to use bold and catchy text on your pins. If people are going to stop by and click on it and then get on your channel, it is all about the pin you designed. Okay, so have a look at those ones here. You can see how beautiful and attractive they are. And that's how these guys are smartly diverting the traffic from this platform, pushing it all to their YouTube channel. Like I said, 90% of people that follow you from Pinterest end up subscribing the moment they land on your channel. So for best result, use bright images, clear font, and YouTube logo. If you want to take this game to the next level, you should create 3 to 5 pins per video. They should be slightly different from one another. And the reason is because Pinterest loves fresh content. Now we move on to step 3, which is where the cocoa happens. You want to pay careful attention to this. So step 3 is to optimize for search. Pinterest SEO is powerful. So when you give it what it wants, it is so easy to rank you on this page. The best way to do this is to write keyword-rich title. make sure that every title you give to your pin, there's actually an important keyword in it. Next is the description. You're going to use also keywords in the description. Use relevant hashtags. The best secret to get this done is to use Pinterest trends to see what people are searching for and make sure that whatever board you are choosing is actually something a lot of people are interested in. Now we move on to the fourth step, which is where the subscribers and the views come from. So the fourth step is to link this pin directly to your YouTube video, that particular video you are promoting, not your YouTube channel or your homepage, but that particular video you're promoting. So when people click on it, it takes them straight to the video. It's after watching this video that they will go on to subscribe to your channel. So how do you do that? In the destination link box, you're going to paste your YouTube video URL, not your channel link. So when people click on the pin, it will take them straight to the video in question. This is the exact strategy small creators are using to blow up. Even big creators are using this on a daily basis to drive massive traffic. And this kind of traffic is just that kind of traffic you need in terms of views and subscribers. Now, for best result, you need to be consistent and use idea pins. This way, you are consistently refreshing your audience. So if you update your content 2 or 3 times every week, you are sure to drive traffic on a daily basis. And this kind of traffic is not something that dies after 2 days, 3 days. It's something that lives for years. So you're going to post 3 to 5 times a week, mixing video and quote style kind of content. The truth is that we love varieties, and anyone that gives it to us the way we want, we're running to that person. So another smart thing you can do is to add a link to your YouTube channel in your bio. So when you use something like idea pin, where you have the video overlay, idea pin is just like TikTok video. You have an overlay, text overlay on that video, saying something like full video on my YouTube channel. Check link in my bio. This way, anyone that watches this, likes it, understands exactly how to find you on YouTube, how to find full details of this video on YouTube, and super easy. They're heading over to your bio, clicking on the link and landing on your YouTube channel. If you want to get this kind of views, this kind of growth on your channel, you need to jump on this right now before it's saturated. I don't know how far this video is going to go, but trust me, the earlier you jump on this and take action, the better for you. If you're tired of not getting views, if you're tired of not getting subscribers, the right platform to drive the right traffic and the kind of audience you want is Pinterest. And like I said, it's not saturated yet. Jump on it right now for more views and subscribers. Let me know in the comment section, have you ever been to Pinterest and click on a video or pins there, it takes you to somebody's channel? That's exactly how we do it. So if you'd like to know the apps and tools, the 3 apps I use in making videos on my faceless channel that is actually doing well right now, I shared that in details in my members only video. Guys, I gave everything, the apps I use, how I use these apps to make these faceless videos in a niche I have no idea of how it works. Yet, videos on this channel are getting thousands of views. Subscribers are pouring in on a daily basis. If you really want to know the apps and how I do it, you need to watch my next video, members only content. That means you have to join my membership to access these premium secrets. Now, if you're still struggling with optimizing your video in a way that you get views and subscribers, you need to watch this video right now. There's a whole lot to be learned in this video. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next one.